I remember a client who came to me doing 6 days a week of HIIT. That's intense. She was eating 1,400 calories and was tired, and she was falling asleep at her desk at 2 p.m. She thought she was plateauing. I did the opposite of what other trainers had told her. I told her to train less and eat more. She was terrified. She thought she'd gain 10 pounds overnight. But within 3 weeks, her energy exploded. Her strength in the gym spiked. And get this, she actually started losing stubborn weight she was trying to lose. And why? Because we plugged the leak. We moved her from chronic stress back into a recovery state. Your body only changes when it feels safe enough to do so.